Ready to discover bathroom tech that feels straight out of the future? These futuristic Amazon gadgets combine sleek design, smart features, and next-level comfort to completely upgrade your daily routine. From touchless systems to ambient upgrades, they turn your bathroom into a high-tech luxury space. Check the links in the description to grab yours. This smart toilet takes something basic and upgrades every part of it. It handles flushing automatically, adds a built-in bidet for proper cleaning, and keeps the seat warm for comfort. The integrated dryer removes the need for extra steps, while the deodorizing system keeps everything fresh. LED lighting adds a subtle modern touch, especially at night. With touchless controls, it turns a daily habit into something cleaner, easier, and more advanced. Say goodbye to scrubbing and soggy brushes. This electric makeup brush cleaner washes, spins, and dries your brushes automatically. The high-speed motor and silicone bowl remove almost all makeup residue while keeping bristles soft and safe. One-button operation makes it effortless. Just plug in and watch it work. With timed drying, your brushes come out clean, dry, and ready for flawless makeup every time. Clean floors without the awkward shoe shuffle. This smart shoe cover dispenser wraps your shoes in a protective cover in seconds. You simply step in, and the machine does the work without bending or using your hands. It keeps dirt outside while letting you keep your own shoes on. Perfect for homes, offices, or clean spaces where hygiene matters. It makes every entry faster, cleaner, and more comfortable for everyone. Say goodbye to cluttered shower shelves. This wall-mounted triple dispenser keeps shampoo, conditioner, and soap neatly organized and within easy reach. The ergonomic lever gives you just the right amount every time, and refills are quick and spill-free. It lifts off for easy cleaning, and the built-in hooks hold a razor or loofah. Made with rust-proof materials, it's a sleek and durable upgrade for any bathroom. Doing laundry on the go just got way easier. This mini washing machine is small enough to pack, but powerful enough to deep clean your delicates. With 2 quick wash modes, it handles underwear, socks, or baby clothes in minutes. The gentle scrubbing action and blue light sterilization keep everything fresh and hygienic. Rechargeable, waterproof, and travel-friendly, it's your portable laundry solution anywhere you go. Upgrade your oral care with this portable water flosser. It shoots high-pressure pulses to remove plaque, debris, and stains where brushes can't reach. The extra-large 300-milliliter tank means fewer refills, and multiple modes let you adjust pressure for sensitive gums. Fully rechargeable, waterproof, and lightweight, it's perfect for home or travel. Easy to use, gentle, and effective. A smarter way to keep your smile healthy. Take your phone into the shower safely. This waterproof phone holder protects your device while letting you watch videos, listen to music, or scroll social media. Its 480-degree rotation and adjustable angle put your screen exactly where you want it. The clear TPU cover keeps touch sensitivity and Face ID fully functional. Easy to mount with strong adhesive hooks, it works on walls, mirrors, or even bathtubs, making your shower time both fun and hands-free. Keep your kitchen sink neat and stylish with this built-in soap dispenser. It holds plenty of soap or lotion and refills easily from the top. No crawling under the sink required. The 360-degree swivel pump makes it easy to reach from any angle, and the upgraded design prevents leaks every time you press. Made from durable, fingerprint-resistant ABS plastic, it stays looking clean and modern. Simple to install, it's a smart addition to any kitchen or bathroom. So if you want a cleaner, more convenient sink, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Time to turn your shower into a private concert. This mini waterproof speaker sticks anywhere with its suction cup or hangs with a silicone lanyard. You'll get rich, crystal clear sound and booming bass, loud enough to fill the whole bathroom without distortion. Drop it in water or take it to the pool. IPX. 7 waterproofing keeps it safe for up to a meter underwater. Compact, easy to use, and 15 hours of playtime means your favorite tunes go wherever you do. Cleaning high walls shouldn't feel like a risky workout. This wall cleaner mop lets you reach ceilings, windows, and corners without climbing or stretching. The rotating head bends and flips, so you can scrub baseboards, corners, and flat surfaces with ease. Soft microfiber and chenille pads grab dust when dry and wipe away grime when wet. You clean more places faster, and you stay safely on the ground the whole time. Upgrade your sink with this 1080-degree swivel faucet extender that makes washing hands, face, hair, or dishes effortless. Its 3-joint, 360-degree rotation design reaches tricky corners, while the foldable robotic arm saves space. Switch between bubble and power shower modes for gentle rinsing or powerful cleaning. Made from brass and ABS with a triple-layer splash filter, it's durable, anti-rust, and hygienic. Easy to install with multiple thread sizes and included tools. Step out of the shower and into pure comfort. This towel warmer heats your towels, robes, or even blankets in just minutes, wrapping you in cozy warmth after every bath. Its large bucket design fits multiple oversized towels, while heating coils around the walls keep everything evenly toasty. No cold spots. You can set timers, adjust heat levels, and even add aromatherapy for that spa-like touch right at home. Upgrade your bathroom hygiene in seconds. This ultra-slim bidet attaches to your existing toilet for a refreshing clean every time. Dual nozzles give you a gentle feminine wash or a full rear wash with adjustable water pressure to suit your comfort. No electricity is needed, and the fold-away design keeps the nozzles clean when not in use. Installation takes just minutes, transforming your toilet into a smart, hygienic upgrade. Make brushing simple and mess-free for the whole family. This wall-mounted dispenser squeezes just the right amount of toothpaste every time, so there's no waste. Its hands-free design keeps germs away, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Easy to install without punching holes, and simple to clean when needed. With safe, BPA-free material, it's a small gadget that makes your morning routine smarter and more hygienic. Ironing no longer needs a whole room. This compact folding tabletop ironing board gives you a full, sturdy surface without the bulky setup. It folds down neatly and even includes a built-in spot to safely rest your iron when you're done. You can mount it on a wall or door, keeping everything off the floor and easy to grab. It's perfect when you want quick, wrinkle-free clothes without dragging out a full-size board. Night trips to the bathroom just got a fun upgrade. This motion-activated toilet light switches on automatically when you walk in, softly illuminating the bowl so you never have to fumble in the dark again. Choose from 8 glowing colors, or let them rotate for a playful rainbow effect. It installs in seconds with a flexible arm that fits any toilet. Kids love it, and adults secretly do too. Laundry day doesn't have to be a chore. This compact clothes dryer fits on a table or counter, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorms. It spins and reverses to dry clothes evenly, keeping them fluffy and wrinkle-free. Multiple sensors adjust time and temperature automatically, and special modes handle delicate fabrics or even shoes. Touchscreen controls make it easy to choose the perfect setting, so drying is simple, fast, and hassle-free. So if you want effortless laundry, scan the QR on screen. Cleaning up spills just got a lot smarter. This countertop paper towel holder comes with a built-in spray pump, so you can mist and wipe in one smooth motion. The balanced tension arm lets you pull just one sheet at a time without waste. The high-performance pump delivers a fine mist over any mess, while the portable design lets you move it anywhere you need. Stylish brushed stainless steel keeps your kitchen tidy and modern. So if you want faster, cleaner spills every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Keep your countertop dry without lifting a finger. This large stone drying mat soaks up water instantly, thanks to its super absorbent diatomaceous earth surface. It's perfect for dishes, plants, pets, or even as a heat-resistant pad. Foldable and compact, it tucks away easily when not in use. The dark gray color hides stains, so it always looks clean and sleek on your kitchen counter. Your morning routine just got a futuristic upgrade. This smart vanity mirror hides a full touchscreen display right behind the glass. When the screen is off, it looks like a normal mirror, but tap it and apps, weather, and music appear instantly. Built-in speakers let you play audio while you get ready, and the LED lighting shifts between different tones for the perfect look. An anti-fog system keeps the mirror clear even after a hot shower, so your reflection stays sharp every time. Taking out the trash just became surprisingly high-tech. This smart automatic trash conceals the bag for you and even loads a fresh one, so you never have to touch the mess. A motion sensor opens the lid with a simple wave, keeping things clean and hygienic. Helpful voice prompts guide every step, and long battery life means months of hands-free use. It's a small upgrade that makes daily chores feel effortless. So if you want hands-free trash day, scan the QR on screen. Turn any space into your personal spa with this portable, foldable bathtub. It's big enough to stretch out and relax, yet folds down small for easy storage and transport. You can enjoy hot baths to melt stress or icy plunges to refresh and recover after workouts. The insulated design keeps water hot or cold longer, while the quick drain system makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, it's comfort and convenience all in one. Your bathroom counter doesn't have to look like a crowded mess. This wall-mounted organizer holds toothbrushes, toothpaste, and daily essentials all in one tidy spot. The automatic dispenser gives you the perfect amount of toothpaste with a simple push, no squeezing or waste. Magnetic cups hang upside down to stay clean, dry, and dust-free. With extra trays and a hidden drawer, you get smart storage that keeps everything neat and within reach. Your shower clutter finally has a home. This clear suction shower caddy sticks firmly to smooth walls with no drilling and no damage. You get a roomy shelf for bottles, plus movable hooks for razors, loofahs, or towels. It snaps on in seconds and stays put, even in steamy bathrooms. Simple, sturdy, and easy to move whenever you want to refresh. Your toothbrush might be dirtier than you think, but this smart holder changes that. Using UVA plus UVC dual band technology, it cleans deep into bristles, removing hidden germs. Wave your hand, and the infrared sensor opens it automatically, while the LED screen shows progress and battery life. It fits most toothbrushes, keeps them dry with air ventilation, and runs a full 3-hour cleaning cycle. Sleek, wall-mounted, and hygienic, your bathroom just got smarter. Upgrade your bathroom with this sleek, egg-shaped toilet. Its compact, one-piece design saves space while giving your bathroom a modern touch. The soft close seat prevents slamming, and the quick release feature makes cleaning a breeze. With a powerful yet efficient flush using just 1.28 gallons, it keeps things spotless without wasting water. Comfort height seating and a stain-resistant surface make it practical, stylish, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.